this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to solve the mirror cube. Now the only requirements you need to know is just solving the Rubik's Cube. If you need to know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, click on the link in the description below. Because I'll be briefly not telling you a whole lot of information about the 3x3 Rubik's Cube techniques. Mostly I'll give information about the shape shifting pieces. The little shapes here. So let's take a look around with this. There's the thinnest layer, the smallest and thinnest layer. There's the most medium, I call it. And there is the tallest and thickest layer. And the rest of them are like all around. So let's get started here. Now that I scrub my cube, this cube looks quite wacky. Yeah, now this is a shape-shifting puzzle here, as you can see. Now the first step here is to solve the cross. Now how do you know where to start with? For me, I start with the tallest and thickest center here. I just do it because it covers a lot more ground. Wait, no, right here. My bad. So we have to find the tallest and thickest edge, like this one here. This is tall and thick. Now just move it to appropriate centers. Let's see. And you have to make sure it's aligned. This doesn't work. It doesn't work. But this one does. Now the next one, let's find the next one. Right here. Find the appropriate centers. Here it is. This. Now the next one. Here. No. Here. And let's find the last one. Right here. And now we solve the right cross. So the next step here is getting the corners. This is the most difficult part because you need to know the pieces well. So we need to find the same thing, the tallest and thickest pieces here. Like this one here. But there's one problem. How do you know where to insert it, how to insert it? Now make sure you put it in appropriate slots. So this right here, the slot's right here. And then there's another problem. Where's the sticker? So let's pretend this cross here is the white cross. So this corner here, you gotta be the white corner. In my experience, you have to find, like, how do I say this? The widest, like this spot here, this is the white sticker. Because this is small and this is like a bit wide. So you have to find like not so wide, not so long square here. So you just insert it. I hope it's not confusing here. So yeah. This is the next one. It's in the first layer, but it's not the right place. So let's bring it down. And just to tell you, this is the white sticker here. And this is the appropriate spot. Let's see. Now let's find the next one. Now this here is in the right Yeah, this is the right place, right layer, but wrong place again. So just bring it down and insert it back. And then now the last one, right here, you just insert it. White sticker here. Now the first layer is solved. If you come to this situation when there's this piece here, but it's vertical, that means the white sticker is down here, and we don't want that. We have to be in this third layer around here. So like this. So our next step here is solving the second layer. Now this one's a little bit easier. So you need to find the thickest. It's not the thickest edge here. Now this here is thickest. So what I do is I first align this edge to the appropriate centers, like this one. It lines up. And what I do is bring this edge left or right to see if it lines up. You see here? I bring it to the left and it doesn't lines up. So it's gotta be on the right, which it is. So I'll do right edge algorithm. And now this one is next. We line up, and it goes to the left, and just do the algorithm. Now this edge here, let's see where it goes. It lines up to the left. We do the left algorithm. And lastly, this edge here. And last slot's right here. So now we solved the last layer. Now you know the dot, the L shape, the line, and the cross. So how do we know which sticker is facing up? Now you see all these bumpy stuff? That means they're not facing up. So that means these two pieces here, this piece here, they're facing up. They're the yellow stickers. So this is the dot case. So I do the algorithm. And now I reach this L shape here. You see the L shape created? Now this line shape. Line. Now it's the cross. Now we align the edges. You see here, you just keep lining up until you have two edges aligned like this and this. Now do the algorithm. All edges are aligned. Now we place the corners. Now this corner here is placed. Now I put it into the bottom right corner. So I'll do the algorithm. Nope, it's not right. This is too small. Now it's aligned. Now I orient the corners now. And it's solved. But sometimes some cubes that you have, it has lines here. You see there's lines? So sometimes your cube might have it. So you're basically not done yet. You need to orient the centers around. You have to move around the centers. Rotate around. So let's see which one is not oriented correctly. This one and this one. And that's it. These two. Basically, you're not going to get like an odd amount of centers need to be fixed. Usually it comes by pairs. 2, 4, 6. So there's two cases you need to do. So if you have missed these two centers like next to each other, position so one of them face up, another one face you, and do M prime, U, M, U prime, M prime, U, M, U prime. Keep going. You keep going about 5 times. Yeah, and these two rotates and it's solved. You reach this case when these two centers are on the other side, like this one is not rotated correctly, and this one. You just you do M2, U, M2, U prime, and you keep going about for 3 times. And technically solved. It takes a bit of practice to understand this cube. For me, it takes about 2 days. Yeah, and so that's technically all it for this mirror cube and stuff. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Google+, and I hope this is a fast, easy, and efficient tutorial, like I promised. If you want, just one more time, subscribe to my channel for more fast, easy, and efficient tutorials. I'm out.